Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I shall draw the cranium into a simplified shape which is a sphere and apply the Loomis method. I have made few markings on this ball which we will use as a reference model. So let's begin with the front view. After drawing the circle, divide it equally into two halves horizontally and then dropping a vertical line. Then measure the distance from the brow line to the nose line and make a marking. And extend this line towards the circle. Then mark the hairline and similarly the chin line. So these three gives us the three equal parts which are same in length vertically. Now let's draw the 3/4 view by drawing a circle. So even if the circle is not a perfect one, it is fine, but at least try to maintain the width and height of this circle. Now draw the vertical line. This vertical line determines the direction in which the head is looking on the x-axis. Then draw the horizontal line for the eyebrows. Now slice off the right side of the sphere and drop a vertical line. When we extend the lines from top and bottom of the oval, we shall achieve the hairline and the nose line. Now extend the vertical line and add a mark which represents the chin. For the side or the profile view, using of a reference model is not really helpful, though we can use it. We just have to draw two circles, the outer circle and the inner circle, where the outer circle symbolifies the cranium. The inner circle is the circle which symbolifies the side plane, the one which we used in the 3/4 view, the sliced circle. After drawing these two circles, divide it into 4 quadrants. Further extend the lines parallel to the x-axis from the circle will give us the hairline and the nose line. In this drawing, the head is tilted upwards and also looking into a 3/4 direction. So let's start by drawing a circle. The horizontal line and the vertical line denotes the direction in which the head is looking. Let's draw the oval which represents the side view of the head. And then extending that line will give us the hairline and the nose line respectively. Here the distance between the hair, eyebrows, nose and chin line will vary due to the distortion caused by the head tilt. But if you use the ball reference, it should be easy for you to measure it and apply it into your drawing. In the next drawing, the head is looking in the downward direction. One important thing to remember is that this is the structure or the core foundation of the head on which later we would build the features. Incorrect structure would lead to disproportionate head. So it is very important at this stage to check the markings and apply them correctly as possible. In this case, the distance between the hair, eyebrows, nose and chin will decrease since the head is tilted in the downward direction. You can erase off any of the markings if you feel they are not correct. Reiterating at this stage is much easier. This is the last drawing, which is more or less similar to the side or the profile view as we drew earlier. The only difference is that the head is facing in the upward direction. Rest of the process remains the same. I hope that I was being able to explain my thought process for each of these drawings. Also, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Thank you very much and stay tuned for more videos.